Okay guys, yung nakikita nyo, yan si Olaf. Sa Disney Paris siya. It's an AI robot. Talagang, if you talk to him, yan, makikipag-push up siya talaga sa'yo. Yan, talagang napaka-cute nila. Yan, talagang napaka-cute ni Olaf dito. Yung isa pa, pwede mo tanggalin yung ilong niya. Pag tinanggal mo yung ilong niya, makikipag-interact siya talaga sa'yo. Very nice. Oh my god. Paano mo bago ka makapunta sa Paris? Parang kita to. Oh my god. Okay, I think most of it na talagang makaka-experience nito, may mga, alam mo na, may pera. Ang cute, ang cute. Oh my god. Pag sinerch niyo siya,
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf.
Ayan siya.
Hey, Olaf.
And you are...
I'm Josh, Olaf. So good to see you. You look amazing.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf.
Learning to really be able to bring our Disney characters to life at the scale and in the way that our guests know them from our films. We are guests to Olaf at Hong Kong Disneyland and Disneyland Paris very soon.
Okay, ayun. So, hindi lang sa Europe, part ng Europe, meron din siya. Magkakaroon din siya sa Hong Kong. Ayan. Yeah, mostly sa ating mga Pinoy is afford pumunta sa Disney Hong Kong. And yeah, may kita nyo na si Olaf. Abangan nyo lang. Very nice, very nice. Nakakatawa. That's it. Thank you very much. Peace.